Hi, Blandy. How are you today?
I'm great.
Great. Well, thanks for coming in. And we just want to go over a few questions on what your experience was with the Zirconia implant placements in this office. Why did you choose a CeraRoot Zirconia implant?
Well, there's a couple of reasons. One, I wasn't comfortable having more metal in my mouth. Two, I didn't like the idea that the titanium discolors the skin around.
Okay.
And the third one, there was a lot of research to show that there's titanium gets in the blood, and people with titanium implants had higher titanium in the blood.
Okay. How was your experience with the surgical placement of the implant, Zirconia implant?
It was fast. It was a lot faster than I was expecting. Pulled the tooth, put the implant in. 6 months later, the crown was on.
How many visits did you have to have the implant surgery done to place the implant in your mouth?
Well, I had the surgery day. We had 2 weeks later, we pulled the stitches out. Then we had a checkup, and then 6 months I came in and I got the impressions, and then 2 weeks after that I got the crown.
Okay, so total of 4 or 5 visits,
4 or 5 visits.
to get this done. 1 surgical visit and a couple of follow-ups, and then for the crown impressions, and finally get the crown. Was it just like doing any other teeth? Did you have crowns before on your teeth?
Feels like a normal tooth.
Okay. Now, did you have any complications as far as not being able to go to work after surgery or after crown placements?
No, not really. Just a little numb.
Have you had any implant surgeries or any implants before?
No.
Were you nervous that there are not too many doctors who do zirconia implants around here?
No, I was actually kind of expecting it.
Okay.
So,
Well, there's been over 10 years of in Europe placing zirconia implants, and I've been doing it in the last 5 years in my office. My experience with the zirconia has been excellent. I have not seen any bone loss, any complications, any issues that I've had in the past with titanium implants. So I'm very happy that I started placing zirconia implants in my office. And in my experience, I haven't had any failures in the past 5 years with the zirconia implants. The titanium implants is a 2-piece implant, whereas the zirconia implant the CeraRoot implant is a 1-piece implant. The abutment and the fixture are all in one piece. And that has a lot of advantages. One advantage would be that there is less of bacteria adhering to the implant. As a result of that, there will be less bone loss, less infection and inflammation, which is a huge advantage as compared to titanium implants. And there is less of a foot trap because of the way the zirconia implants are shaped. They're more shaped like a tooth, natural tooth, versus titanium implants, which is round and cylindrical. So that creates a better contour around the gums and less food getting trapped interproximally between the teeth. And the fact that it's metal-free, that's great by itself. And zirconia implants are extremely tissue-friendly. So there is less bone loss and less inflammation because of that, and which also makes it more difficult for bacteria to adhere to the implant surface. Well, thank you for coming in. We're glad that you chose us and you were one of our patients now.